Operation Digital Pioneer, Mission 5, reporting. Now, this isn't just, did I do good? Did I get clicks? Did I get impressions? No, 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 no. We already collected the data. We already know what we're looking at. We already know what kind of mess we're in or how much money we're making. That's not what reporting is all about. Reporting is about learning how to talk to your board of directors. We look at the KPIs that we set originally and where we are now. Did we enhance? Did we lose? Did we win what? And then we create an ROI report, a return on investment report for SEO, which is not easy to do because you have to calculate how many hours you and your internal team put into your SEO. If you hired an agency, how much did you pay them? And then you have to look at how many impressions you got, how many clicks you got, how many conversions you got, how much revenue you made, how much profit you made, how many return customers did you get for SEO, and you have to put all of that in a report that is legible to a board of director, a CEO, a CMO, or a VP of marketing. That's not so simple to do. So we'll teach you how to do it. We already have the templates, and we'll show you what the board of directors and CMOs and CEOs really like to see. It's not a question of falsifying data. It's about explaining why the data is the way that it is in a very clear-cut fashion. Let me tell you a big secret about directors. They only want one thing. Yeah, everybody thinks they want everything. That bullshit. Let me tell you what board of directors want. Options. CEO, he doesn't need to think. He needs options. What are my options? Option A is fail. Yeah, you know what? I'll pass on option A. What's option B? Okay, well, B is we can invest $20 million in this marketing campaign, and that will produce for us a $400 million return on investment. Yeah, I'm going to go with option B. Yeah, so you need $20 million? Okay. What other options within the $20 million? Like, when do I have to get that to you? Well, I only need $300,000 for the first month. In the second month, it's 1.5 million. The third month, it's 5 million, etc., etc. We give you these reports so that you can provide them to your CEO and to your CMO so that they have options of what to do next. So this is how much money we made. This is how much money we're going to make. And this is how much money we can make. Now they have options. They can choose to do whatever it is that they want. They're leaders. That's what they're supposed to do. They're supposed to make decisions. We, as digital marketers, are supposed to provide the board of directors with those options. And I'll teach you how to do that. I'll teach you how to do it so that the board of directors takes one look at your report and they'll ask you intelligent questions like, okay, tell me more about this $20 million investment. Where's the money going to go exactly? You'll be able to answer that right away because of the advanced digital marketing strategies that you've been learning about throughout the course. The next thing that we'll be doing is talking about Google Ads, KPI, and ROI report. Same story all over again. How much money do we need to put into SEO? Content. We need more content. We need videos. Okay, well, there's a lot to do for SEO. But what about Google Ads? We know exactly how much money we make when we invest exactly this amount of money. That's called the cost per acquisition. This should be an unlimited budget. But what about display advertising? What about all the others? And so we provide a Google Ads report that is super, super, super accurate to within a 1 penny. To within 1 penny, even on $1 million of investment and return on investment, because we have all of the data properly installed and analyzed. We give that to the board of directors. They see what we've done. They see what we're doing. They see what we want to do in order to grow and scale the business. All they have to do is decide what to do. That's how you get success. Don't make the decision for your board of directors. Give them the options and let them choose. You'll never fail. Whatever they choose, it's their business. It's their problem. Even if it means bad things for you or your company or whatever, it's the board of directors' decision. They have a much broader vision of the priorities of the company than you do. And therefore, giving them the options is the best way to report into the board of directors for digital marketing. Then we talk about CRO reports per product, per service. So conversion rate optimization is great on a general scale, but what about each product? Now we get to talk about the really detailed aspect of conversion rates. How many sales did we get for one specific product? That product, how many sales did we make? 12. Well, why didn't we make more? Well, let's find out. What about this service? How many clients did we get for that service? 45. Well, why didn't we get more? Let's find out exactly for each product and service. Now, this will give you unparalleled data. It will reestablish your priorities because your board of directors will get to decide one simple thing. Which products and services do they want you to focus on next? Because you only have a certain amount of time. You might have 1,000 products or 10 products. Either way, Steve Jobs didn't get successful by focusing on 10,000 things at the same time. He focused on the iPhone, he got it right, and he made billions of dollars for Apple. This is what we need to do as well, but we need to allow the board of directors, the CEO, and the CMO to make the decision for us. This is what we think you should do. The options are the board of directors. And that's what we'll be teaching you how to do with conversion rate optimization per product and service. Then we talk about ad creatives and campaign attribution. So what does that mean exactly? We talk about which of our ads are most successful, which campaigns are most successful at bringing in new clients, return clients. We analyze which of our clients and which of our campaigns are driving the most revenue versus the most profit margins. Then we move on to digital strategy KPIs and ROI status report. In Mission 2, we created a digital marketing strategy. Now the buck stops here. Now we have to review our digital marketing strategy, the ones that we built together. We have to look at the KPIs and we have to look at the ROI status on that strategy. Obviously, it's going to be a positive ROI because Search Titans is in charge and we're helping you make a lot of money. So it's going to be a positive ROI. But now we can give options to the board of directors to increase the budget, decrease the budget. It's their decision. We give them the options and we show them how to do it based on the overall digital marketing strategy. This is where we discuss using agencies versus in-house labor. Maybe we can hire more people. Maybe we just get agencies. Maybe we can try different languages. All of this is reported on, and then options are given to the CEO, to the board of directors, so that they can really establish what it is that they want for their company. We're just marketers, we just do our job, we report to them and they make the decisions. Then we do a comparison, compare original projections to actual results and report. So what did we say we were going to make? How much money did we say we were going to make or we could make? And we just compare that to the actual results. It can be exciting, right? Because if we got really, really accurate, then we know, and the board of directors will know how accurate we are at predicting the future, which is exactly what we're designed to do. We know what we're doing. We don't have to guess, and we don't have to believe that we're going to do a good job. We know we're going to do a good job because we predict that we're going to make this much money, this many clicks, this many sales, etc. And from there, confidence will be imbued into your CEO, into your CMO, and into your board of directors, and hopefully into your investors or the company's investors. Finally, we update the daily habits based on reporting. Now we really enhance our daily habits by adding product and individual product, individual service reporting, individual KPIs. Now we're going to spend 2 hours a day really looking at the overall strategy, and we have a list of things, a checklist of daily habits that we have to look forward to moving forward. Daily habits are incredibly important, and the more you learn, the more important it will become that your daily habits take up more and more of your time. That way, eventually, 50% of your day, every day, should just be daily habits. And then the other 50% should be innovation, creativity, open to meetings, open to new business opportunities, all of that. But first, establish your daily habits. Become the master of your craft, become the master of the digital marketing strategy for your company, and then get creative and really innovative.